It's Monday, June 12th. It took me a minute. June 12th. Yes, it is. And we survived the weekend. My kids were here. Had a big lake day. That was super fun. Remember, I'm leaving tomorrow to go meet all my junior high friends from Illinois. We all lived in Illinois then. Now we live all over the country. So we're going to go to the mountains and have fun for about 4 or 5 days. So I will not be making a video. So sorry about that. But I will see you next Monday. And I'll give you an update on the weekend. How's that? I went and got my hair cut today, so I'm not very happy with this. Not very much fluff, but it's all right. It'll be good. No complaints. All right, new yarn today. Sort of a fun yarn. It's a cotton yarn. It's called Clean Cotton Multi. Clean Cotton Multi. It is from Universal. It's worsted weight. It's a great, let me make sure, wash and dry. Perfect. There are 96 yards in a ball, so it's not a giant ball, but it's a perfect ball for washcloths and maybe a baby sweater or a multi-striped blanket. You could pick a bunch of different colors. I have quite a few colors. I have 8 and 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 colors. So let me show them to you. I told you it's cotton. It's all great. So I have this kind of toasty brown, kind of neutral, right? Oh, I didn't tell you the price. It's $5 a ball. Boom. Can't beat that. Here's the peachy orange. No, that's the right side. Peachy orange. Of course, you've got to have pink. It's kind of it's not tie-dyed, but it's a white and color mix. This one is blue, kind of denim-y. This one is more like navy or dark denim. I like that. Purple, of course. Have to have purple. Turquoise. Love that. And the last one is sort of peachy, salmon-y, right? Love that. Now, those are the 2-color ones, semi-solids. Then I have some that are speckly and a little more multi. This one I love. It's turquoise with green dots and turquoise dots. Love that. That one's fun. Then this one is more of a white with the blue dot and the turquoise dot. Love that. Upside down. Sorry. This one is pink, purple, and hot pink. Be really cute. I think you could have a million ideas for this yarn. And this one is blue, purple, and the white background. So use your imagination. Lots of opportunities. I have I have 12 balls of each color, and I have 12 colors. Yay! All right, I'm going to try and knit while I'm gone. I don't know how much I'll get done. I need to get a lot done. And what else do I need to tell you? I do. We are getting ready to I told you we were putting together a kids camp. It's coming together. It's going to be the 3rd week in June. Is that right? July. It's the 3rd week in July and the 2nd week in August. I'll give you those dates more solid. It's going to be $150 per week, and there'll be 5 classes during the week. So it's Monday through Friday. There'll be a different little class every day. Kids will all learn something different, and they will have take away things that they will have at home, which will be great. There's going to be a little bit of crochet, a little bit of knitting. There might be some macrame. There'll be, we might be making some beads to do a crocheted bead necklace. Lots of cool ideas. Maybe a little Amish basket. I don't know. Maybe some felt and embroidery. Lots of great ideas. So both weeks will not be the same if you want to do both. All right. That's all I have. Oh, ages 8 to 12. All right. So that's my teaser. We'll be sending out an email. Okay. All right. Y'all have a great week. I'll see you next Monday. Be safe.